Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am making another Valentine's Day balloon garland. Lately I've really been into color blocking. I think that's the way to say it, correct term for that. I like to take one color, work with one color, and move on to the other color without mixing up the colors. So that's what I am doing today. I am working with one color at a time without mixing it. Everything I will be using in this video for this garland will be linked in the description under the video, so go ahead and check it out. Without any further ado, let's go. Let's quickly go over everything that I have in front of me. These balloons are from different companies, different places. This corner over here, Qualitix balloons from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. This row over here is from Amazon. So let's break this down. Pink balloons, 16, 11 inches. White balloons, 16, 11 inches. Red balloons, 18, 12, and 5-inch balloons. Gray 12-inch balloons. On top of all this, I am using low temperature glue gun, 20-pound fishing line, electric balloon pump, and my trusted Valentine tool. Alrighty guys, I am ready to blow all of my balloons. I am working with my electric balloon pump from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. If you would decide to purchase anything from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company's website, they have a huge selection of things, so go check them out. You can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off. Back to our balloons. I will be pairing my balloons because I am working with fishing line. Also, I won't be mixing up the colors. I am working with one color at a time, so I am pairing pink with pink, red with red, and so on and so on. I am taking two balloons and blowing them at the same time. As soon as I'm done blowing my balloons, I am pressing them against the floor to give them more rounder shape, and then tying these two balloons together into a pair like this. I'm in my filming room, literally hair are everywhere, there are like staticking to my balloons. I am literally filming a video right now, and here's the thing that I wanted to say. Sometimes I sit down to film and I blow all of my balloons and I have no idea what's gonna happen with those balloons. You know, sometimes you sit down and you're like, yes, I know what I'm doing. I know how this balloon garland will look like. Well, today's balloon garland, I have no idea. I don't feel this balloon garland, so hopefully something really nice is gonna come out of it. But here's the thing, when you feel like it's not working out, sometimes things will turn out even better than you think. So I am hoping this will work out. Time to construct our balloon garland. As I said in the beginning of my video, I am working one color at a time. So I'm starting with white color. I am taking my 20-pound fishing line and tying my fishing line to my first white pair. Now, second pair right on top of my first pair. As you can see here, I am pinching these two pairs together with my fingers to keep my pairs of balloons really tight and close together. I am pinching my pairs, taking my fishing line, wrapping my fishing line around one of the newly placed balloons. Pull on your fishing line and push your pairs together. Be careful how hard you pull on your fishing line because fishing line can't cut your balloons. So is curling ribbon. Now, again, take your fishing line and wrap around another newly placed balloon. Pull on your fishing line, push your pairs together. let it go, and here you have really nicely, tightly packed pairs together. You guys, this apron right here, it is very handy for constructing your balloon garlands because you can pack in your pockets with a whole bunch of things. And when constructing my base, I like to put my fishing line in one of the pockets to avoid my fishing line, you know, tangling on other clusters. So I will link this apron in the description under. For balloon garland, cut a long piece of fishing line, hold it with one hand, with your other hand take the tail and wrap around one of the newly placed balloon right there. Now you created this loop, so take the tail and feed it through the loop, pull on your tail. Do this a couple of times to make sure your balloon garland is completely secured. My balloon garland is ready. The base is ready, but I don't like this column shape of my garland, so I am playing around with my balloons, kind of switching places, you know, things like that, just playing around with the whole thing to find the shape that I would like. This will give me more organic, kind of interesting flowing balloon garland. Right, my balloon garland is on my frame and I kind of like it because I tried to hang this balloon garland a little bit different, in a little bit different way, shape than I usually do. And so far, so good. I took extra piece of fishing line and literally tied my balloon garland straight to my frame in 4 spots, and it holds really, really good. If you want to learn how I hang my balloon garlands using my backdrop with fabric and how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks, then I will leave a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands. I do show an up close on how I do that, so go check that video out. I do answer more questions about balloon garlands. They might be helpful, so go ahead and check it out. Now, fun part begins. I am taking my low temperature glue gun. It will not pop your balloons if they are good quality balloons. I'm taking my low temperature glue gun, I'm taking my extra loose or paired balloons, and I am starting to fill in the spaces on my garland. So let's have fun. Unleash your creativity. This is you, this is your time. Let's make it happen. Here's what I'm planning to do with pairs of balloons. I am taking 2 pairs and I'm intertwining them together to create clusters like these. Building my balloon garland, I already filled in spaces. If you noticed, this balloon garland is very different from my previous balloon garlands just because I didn't use 5-inch balloons. That's unheard of because I always use 5-inch balloons. Very simple but very cute looking. I thought this balloon garland is very simple and I need to add something. So I had these foiled balloons in pink, red, and silver. I wish I had white foiled balloons, but no. To blow all of my Orbz smaller size balloons, I am always using hand pump because electric balloon pump does not give enough air into smaller size foiled balloons. I don't know why. And there's another reason why I'm using hand pump to blow all of my Orbz self-sealing foiled balloons, because all of those balloons have this plastic insert in them right there. If you're going to be using warm hot electric balloon pump on these balloons, you have a chance that you can melt this plastic insert in your balloons and your balloons will start losing air. So that's why I am using my hand pump to blow these. You guys, today this is my cute, very simple looking balloon garland. I am liking everything that I have on this garland in this setup. Definitely something totally different from what I was envisioning in the beginning of this video, but still it's looking very cute. I like the quality of all the balloons, even though they are from different companies. Still, none of the balloons pop, deflated, or had holes. These Orbz balloons, they are from Angie's and they are great quality as well. This light is blinking because I need to change a cord broke. Did you notice that I didn't use any 5-inch balloons in my garland? Something very totally definitely something different for me, because I always use 5-inch balloons, and I am liking, because this is a very good example for you guys that you don't have to buy 5-inch balloons to create something pretty. This whole thing was created with 11-inch balloons, 12, 16, and 18-inch balloons. Very cute, isn't it? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I will link everything, every single balloon, every single frame in the description under the video. I will link my twinkle lights and my LED bar lights up lighting in the description under the video as well, so go ahead and check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. You guys, this is my take on another balloon garland for Valentine's Day. I hope this video was helpful, enjoyable, and it was inspiring. If you have any additional questions, you guys, please leave them in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button for more videos and more inspiration. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!